Spring is here, and with it comes a fresh wave of IKEA products designed to brighten your home, simplify your routine, and add a touch of style to everyday life. From versatile storage solutions to beautifully crafted decor, this season's lineup is all about blending practicality with charm. Let's dive into IKEA's latest arrivals, perfect for welcoming the new season in style. 1. Chilifrukt, the vase that does more. A vase, a watering can, why not both? The Chilifrukt in bright blue is a playful, multifunctional piece that adds character to any space. Its sleek curves make it as much a conversation starter as it is a practical tool for watering or displaying flowers. 2. FODERTRÅG, organized, stylish, essential. Declutter your space with the FODERTRÅG organizer. Designed for desks or walls, it keeps essentials, keys, mail, phones within reach. Its modern stackable design lets you mix and match colors to fit your style. 3. Korallvippa, airtight and all right. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with Korallvippa. This set of 6 airtight jars ensures your dry food stays crisp and easy to find. The clear design means no more guessing what's inside. 4. Grilltider, the pizza pan of your dreams. Crispy crust every time. This cast iron pizza pan delivers the perfect bake and doubles as a grill for meats and veggies. Durable and versatile, it works in ovens, on stovetops, and even on the grill. 5. NYMÅNE, a glow of elegance. The Naon table lamp offers soft, diffused light for a cozy ambiance. With a frosted glass shade and minimalist design, it blends seamlessly into any decor, adding warmth to your space. 6. Basingen, your shower companion. A slip-resistant shower stool with a sleek anthracite finish. The Basingen is sturdy, comfortable, and designed to drain water easily, making it a safe and stylish addition to any bathroom. 7. Basingen, the towel rail that works overtime. More than just a towel rail, this sleek anthracite design keeps towels within reach while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. Its smooth, rounded edges add both function and elegance. 8. Basingen, the toilet roll holder with a bonus A smart toilet roll holder with a built-in shelf. Perfect for keeping small essentials handy. Its sleek anthracite design blends into modern bathrooms effortlessly. 9. Brugdhaj, the salt and pepper showstopper. These stoneware salt and pepper shakers add charm to your table. Their earthy glaze complements the Gladelig series, and they're easy to refill, practical and stylish. 10. Concis, the cheese lover's secret weapon. Slice cheese effortlessly with the Consist stainless steel slicer. Its sturdy design ensures even thin slices, making it perfect for sandwiches, charcuterie, or snacking. 11. Svartoxbar, the scent of fresh beginnings. The Svartoxbar candle fills your space with the refreshing scent of mimosa and citrus. It burns for 45 hours and comes in a reusable glass container. 12. IKEA 365 Plus, storage that breathes. This stackable metal food basket keeps produce fresh with its breathable design, a must-have for an organized and stylish kitchen. 13. Lovskogslund, apple-scented bliss. This candle combines crisp apple, apple blossom, and jasmine for a fresh, uplifting aroma. Housed in a beautiful ceramic jar, it doubles as decor even after the candle is gone. 14. Basingen, the step stool that elevates more than just height A. Sturdy step stool with a built-in handrail for extra support. Perfect for reaching high cabinets or providing a safe boost wherever you need it. 15. Rosentorp, a chair that hugs you back. With soft Kalanda beige upholstery and an ergonomic design, the Rosentorp swivel chair offers comfort for work or dining. Adjustable height makes it even more versatile. 16. Brugdhaj, a pouring perfectionist. This stoneware oil and vinegar bottle features a built-in spout cover and a silicone-sealed lid, ensuring fresh, mess-free pouring every time. 17. Vittsjo, the bold display, a modern yellow shelf unit with tempered glass shelves. Its open design creates a light, airy feel, perfect for displaying books, plants, or collectibles. That wraps up our look at IKEA's newest spring arrivals. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, organizing your space, or simply adding a cozy touch, these products bring fresh energy to your home. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more home inspiration.